guys, welcome to Pat's World. Welcome once again. I've missed you all. Oh my god, it's been busy. I have so many videos to upload, but I'm like, let me just take it easy, calm. So today I'm going to the beach. The weather is changing so fast. Actually, I'm not going to the beach this morning. Right now I'm going to work. But we have a beach day with staff at work and it's gonna be fun. I will try to carry you along. I hope you will watch this video till the end because there'll be lots of fun things. You know, I love the beach so much, especially when the weather is changing. So you are coming on this journey with me today. See you later. Let's go. Yes, I've just finished. Go now. I'm ready for the beach. I told you when I was leaving this morning I'm going to the beach. Yes, so the sun is so much. I advise you all, if you have a beach near you, just go there and look at the water and play in the sand. I'm ready for the beach. All right, see you later. So we just arrived at the beach right now. I'm just arriving at the beach right now. Yay! Wow, the sun is not even friendly at all. Yeah, the sun is not friendly at all. Oh! Wow, it was right. I was a little bit scared. The beach! Wow, it's so good here. Look at the water. Wow, I'm so tired. Beach was fun. Food was filling. I danced, I drummed. Oh my god, it was just so fun. I'm tired. It was a good time spending time with colleagues today at the beach. Unfortunately, I couldn't make a video or take photos because of privacy. Yeah, I don't want to show it, like, yeah, they need their privacy. Yeah, and I climbed a horse. Oh my god, I was so scared. You could literally see me shaking. I was scared. I don't know why I was so scared. That wasn't the first time I'm climbing a horse, but you're riding on a horse, I mean, on the beach. But I was so scared. The beach wasn't that hot like I thought because of the weather, but I didn't get to. I just stood by the shore anyway. I didn't really enter into the water, but it was fun. Let me know in the comment section, do you have a beach not too far from your house? Like mine was about 30 minutes. Yeah, it's 30 minutes from where I live and 30 minutes from my place of work. So we went as a group. So how often do you go to the beach? Do you go to relax? It's so refreshing sitting by the water and just seeing the waves, the cool breeze, the sun. Oh, I totally forgot. I actually wanted to take some sand from the beach. Yeah, I needed it for something, but I totally forgot. Maybe when I go next time. All right, so I would like to know, when last did you go to the beach, and how often do you go to the beach? How far is the beach from where you live? And just say it in the comment section, and I will see you in my next video. But please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. So many people are watching, but please go ahead and subscribe. And I'm just going to take a break now because I'm going to just take a bath and sleep. Bye bye.